Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jeff Carbuoy. If you own a Mazda 6 and you're trying to do oil change, man, I'm doing oil change for the first time on this vehicle, and I'm telling you, I came some challenges here, and that's why I did this video to point out some of the tips that are going to save you a whole lot, especially when it comes to this filter, because it has a very special filter that I haven't seen so far. I mean, I've seen it in Toyota Corollas, but this filter cartridge on the back here has a drain plug that you only need a Phillips, no, not Phillips, hex bit to take it out. You see this filter socket, this one will not take that filter cartridge out. It will not. This is for the Toyota, and I've used it on Toyota, but this is too small. I tried and it did not work. I watched another video, another guy trying to take it out, but it didn't work. If you actually see here, you see it doesn't fit. So putting that away. So I use a hex bit here, trying to take that screw, that drain plug out. But again, somebody else trying to do the same thing, and he stripped the bolt. That bolt will not come out. I just wanted to show you that you can actually take out the cartridge out without taking the bolt out. So that's something you need to know. You don't have to worry what's going to happen if I take out the cartridge without taking the bolt out. So that's what I did. I didn't have to worry about. So this mechanism here, this actually worked for me. This is what saved me my hassle. So how it works is adjustable wrench. For some reason, the more you turn, the more it get tighter, and this worked amazing. Before I even do this, I was trying to watch several videos, people trying to take that filter out. Nobody used this actually you can find it on AutoZone and also Amazon. I will attach a link on all these tools on the description, but this with the ratchet, perfect. This one, if you have to use that socket, you have to buy the right size specific for this vehicle. Some of the additional tips here is make sure you have the right oil. Here I'm going to be using 5W20, and also make sure you have the right filter. As you can see there, it has a filter number. Make sure it's right for the model of your car. So how do you figure out you need a 5W20? You look at the back of this cap, the engine oil cap, it says 5W20. And also this engine, they come in different sizes, especially for this vehicle. It has two different, has a 3 point something and a 2 point something. Let me show you how to find the right size. You come on top of the hood right there on top, and you will see here this one is a 2.3. That information is important so you can determine how much oil you need, and to know the right amount of oil you need for the specific Mazda you have, make sure you go for the owner's manual. And I have my 2005 Mazda 6 owner's manual, and you go flip on the back of this book. You will have all this all the right information, especially here where it says lubrication and then capacity. You see 2.3, how much oil it does need. So owner's manual, important book to keep. All right, so far so good. For a complete version on how to change engine oil, I've done a good video. I'll make sure I attach it here on the description of this video, and make sure you check out that video. Also, if you're new here, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. And then when you're doing your oil change, make sure you have the right tools, and I'm going to attach all these tools that I'm using on this video on the description. Make sure you check them out. Again, on the filter, make sure it's the right size, and also comes with all the other surprise like the gasket. These two gasket, the small one for the bolt and the big one for the cartridge. And actually I'm going to show you, it goes right here on this cartridge oil filter cartridge, the gasket goes right there. I couldn't take it out with one hand. So guys, what else did I miss? All right, let me show you how to install this filter. Make sure you install it light on the cartridge, pre-fill it with the oil, and then hand screw it on its housing, just like this. Carefully, make sure you don't it's not going sideways, it goes straight on. It's going easily. That means you're not screwing up with your friends and all that good stuff. Alright guys, stay tuned. This is Jeff Carbuoy. Make sure you support me by subscribing, liking, share your comment. Let's talk there on the comment section, and check out all my other videos. Stay tuned.